Hi friends, this is Rajashi Rashekar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic about Maya. Yes, my dear friends, Maya. It's a Sanskrit word. We can call in English illusion. బ్రహ్మం ఒక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మం ఒక్కటే. బ్రహ్మను వీడితే బ్రహ్మం అర్థమవుతుంది మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. బ్రహ్మం తెలుసుకోవాలంటే బ్రహ్మను వీడాలి, మాయ వీడాలి. వి మస్ట్ రిలీజ్ అవర్ ఇల్యూజన్స్. వి మస్ట్ ఓవర్కమ్ అవర్ ఇల్యూజన్స్. వేర్ దేర్ ఈజ్ సఫరింగ్, there is lot of illusions, my dear friends. Mind creates number of illusions. There is a say in English, when you are happy then you are real. So where there is no happiness, there is a illusion, number of illusions. Sufferings comes from illusions. They are having, I'm not having, the comparisons about education, about life, about money. So many illusions, my dear friends. When you meditate, then only we will come. Then only we will overcome these kind of illusions. When the mind becomes empty, we listen our soul voice, the truth, the fundamental truths. సతులు సుతులు మాయ, సంసార సుఖములు మాయ. The duality is a greatest illusion. So we must understand this thing about these illusions, my dear friends. So many illusions. We must self-check through our meditation. We get sadgunas. We release, we reduces our durgunas, and we will get sadgunas. My dear friends, there is the only one source to get true wisdom. Meditation, meditation, meditation. There is no other option, my dear friends. The entire human kingdom, the world is full of sufferings, my dear friends. The wars between nation and nation, the status, these kind of illusions we are having right now in our human life. So we must overcome it. We must dissolve it through our meditation, through regular practicing meditation. Death is a greatest illusion, my dear friends. Death, we are pure souls. Body dies, souls never die. We know this, we hear this, but in our day-to-day implementation life we forgot because of illusion. through our body conscious, in our mind consciousness, or else intellectual consciousness. Through this kind of illusions we are having, soul doesn't have any illusion. Soul always have truth. Soul itself truth. So find out your illusions. Find out your illusions, and we do not agree with our illusion. A mad person cannot agree, I am mad. So search others. Observe your surrounding people, surrounding things. What kind of illusions they have. That why they are suffering. Where there is suffering, there is illusion, Baba. So we must overcome these illusions through meditation. Death is a greatest illusion. Yama Dharma Raja. Yama means Maya. When we die, we free from our Maya. We can see clearly, oh, I am having this body, I am not this body. When we are die, then only we will realize. Before that, when you practice meditation, and then only you will know. There is two ways to Maya. We must understand in these two ways. One thing is, after death we can realize it. Through our meditation we can realize it. So die before you die, my dear friends, through your meditation. Yama means Maya. Through meditation, we overcome so many illusions. After releasing all these illusions, there is only one thing: happiness. Always happy. Be happy, my dear friends, by practicing meditation, going deeper, 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 deeper state, zero state of mind. Be with the breath. Be with yourself. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you.